Hello students, today we will learn about new property countdown. The housekeeping department of a hotel is the heart of the hotel. It is responsible for the cleanliness, maintenance and aesthetic upkeep of the hotel. The role of housekeeping, unlike food and beverage or the front of the house department, starts way before the hotel commences as a full-fledged operation. The pre-opening calendar for any property starts 2-3 weeks or years ahead, but it is unrealistic to suppose that every executive housekeeper can be hired far enough in advance to take part in the original planning with top management and the architect. However, in some cases it is possible to clean ahead who your housekeeper will be and consult her in advance about the entire housekeeping operation. So the countdown begins as below: 3 months before the opening. The following activities need to be carried out 3 months prior to the opening. First one is check the blueprints for the housekeeping department. Next, check the layout of the linen and uniform rooms. Check the layout of the laundry. Check the location and layout of the floor pantries. Appoint a horticulturist in coordination with the personnel department and initiate the setting up of plant nursery and greenhouse. And the housekeeper also have to look into the purchasing of saplings and seeds. After that, every housekeeper have to undertake a market survey to identify the best equipment, cleaning supplies, linen and gas supplies available and work out the cost. Uniform requirements have to be considered and uniforms should be designed with the various departmental heads. After that, 2 months before, fine-tune the manpower requirement. Hire only the minimum staff required, because you don't have to hire excess amount of staff. After that, consider contract services for pest control, florist and so on, so that specifications, terms and conditions can be worked out. After that, orientation and training of staff should be started on a continuous basis, because you have to hire so many personnel staff for many departments as well as housekeeping. Then the housekeeper also have to follow up with the purchase department regarding the indents items and delivery dates. After that, it's 6 weeks in advance. The housekeeper have to hire the necessary long rung staff. Lower rung staffs are like the GRA, guest room attendant, the housemaids. After that, they have to clean up all the newly constructed areas, because it should be ready before the opening. Horticulture activities such as construction of different garden areas and buying of new saplings and plant for different areas. Check the standard SOPs. SOPs is standard operating procedures. After that, they have to purchase uniforms, because new staffs will be coming every week. They have to hire so many staff in housekeeping department, because the entire hotel is constructed by or designed by the housekeeping department only. After that, 1 week in advance. Finally, a week in advance of the opening, the following activities must be carried out. Draw up duty rosters and schedule staff accordingly. Duty rosters is nothing but to assign duties of different housekeeping personnel. Second one is set up the relevant work areas and ensure their cleanliness. and work out a frequency schedule for the cleaning up various areas of the property. Frequency schedule is the chart or schedule where there is a mention of how frequently one area or one particular area supposed to be clean. After that, the last one is constantly. The housekeeper should constantly tour the property and be available to the housekeeping staff for last minute queries and changes. So these are the countdown before opening a new property.